If you've accidentally hidden posts on your Facebook timeline and want to bring them back, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you how to unhide posts using the Facebook mobile app. First, open the Facebook mobile device and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon and go to Activity Log. You'll see a list of your actions on Facebook. To find hidden posts, tap on Filter. Click on Manage Post. As you can find hidden from profile, simply tap on it. You can simply delete, or you can also unhide the post. Once you've found the post you want to unhide, simply tap on the three dots next to the prop. From the menu, simply tap on Show on Profile or Show on Timeline. And that's it. You've successfully hidden post on your Facebook timeline using the mobile.